You're smiling.
I am.
Why are you smiling?
Because I no longer have pain in my piriformis.
Awesome. This young lady here has had a lot of stuff going on with her spine for years. One of her problems, she had pain deep in her butt cheek on that left side, correct?
Absolutely.
And it wouldn't go away. We tried shots. It maybe helped for a little while, but the pain kept coming back.
That is true.
We did a piriformis release yesterday.
We did.
Through a 4mm incision. You can see pictures of it right here. Tiny little cut. And in 15 minutes, you went out of the operating room, you went home 30 minutes later, and here you are today, 24 hours later. How do you feel?
I feel great. I don't hurt. I've been dealing with a crazy piriformis for easy 30 years on and off.
30 years?
Easy.
Wow.
Easy.
So I did an analysis of all of our patients for the last couple of years, and it turns out the piriformis tears, the muscle pain that you had, is there in 1/3, 35% of our patients.
Wow.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Very common problem. And now we have a way to fix it, minimally invasive.
It's fantastic.
Do we fix it for you?
Oh, absolutely.
Congratulations.
Absolutely. You made my day. You have.
You're welcome. No bleeding, no scarring,
No.
just a tiny little cut
Yeah.
in and out. And no pain meds, right? You're
No.
not on new pain meds.
Mm-mm.
Anything else you want to say to your fans out there?
I had no idea just the relief I could get, because it's something that I didn't think was ever going to go away.
30 years. Now it's gone. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
Happy
you.
New Year.
Appreciate it.
All right, let's get you out of here.